Hello and welcome everyone. I'm going to show you today how to input results using the Sportlomo game management app and avoiding those cumbersome text messages that we all had to deal with in years previous. So all of the fixtures and results on the bcrugby.com homepage are actually automated, and it's the referees themselves that actually control the data that goes onto this page, as well as into the competition standings and league tables. So just to give you an idea, there's two ways you can do it. If you Google Sportlomo referee login, it will actually take you to your referee login page. If you type in your credentials, you'll be able to access your assignments, pending results, things like that. If you have a pending result or a score that hasn't been entered, you can do so on this page. You can also accept or reject pending assignments. One other thing you can do on this page is update availability by simply selecting a day, dragging through the times that you are available, and then once that's done, you can click on the yellow bar and you can even have recurring availability on that day for a period as long as you want. After you've hit update and hit save, you'll be able to know that the allocator will be able to see that you are available and can put you on games for those days. Now, when you don't have access to your computer or your laptop, you can still input results and accept allocations pretty easily through the Sportlomo game management app. So I'll show you that app really quickly. It's easily found through your Google Play Store or your, your Apple App Store. And the app is actually just called Sportlomo Game Management. So if you type in simply Sportlomo, you'll see Sportlomo Game Management turn up and you can open that. You enter your credentials the same as the back end of the referee login page, and you'll end up with this screen. So here you can see all your upcoming games. And if you have a game management notification, that means you have a result that has yet to be inputted. So this will appear moments after kickoff. So as soon as you get off the field, you should be able to open up the app and input your result. So one thing that's important, obviously the score and the amount of tries. So if one team scored 5 points and they scored 1 try, and the other team scored 7 points and that was through 1 try, you can type in the amount of conversions. And then if there's no penalties, drop goals, you can leave those as zeros. And then finally, the game status, switch that over to game played, click update, and you'll see that that score has been updated successfully. Now, the app will leave the notification there for about 15 minutes. And the reason it does that, if you made a mistake and you realize, oh, I got the teams wrong, you can actually make the adjustment that you wanted to make while you're in the clubhouse, if you are so inclined to do so. So once that is done on Sportlomo, what it does is it actually updates the BC Rugby website and the BC Rugby app. So if you want to find out what's going on around the leagues besides the venue you are at, you can obviously check that on the website where the fixtures results, league tables are there as well. Or you can use your phone again and make use of the BC Rugby app. So that's, again, not too difficult to find. Into the search bar, just type in BC Rugby. You'll see the BC Rugby app. Once you've installed it and opened it, this doesn't need any login. This is available to the general public, so there's no ability to input or change anything here. But you can get an idea of all the results that are happening, all the fixtures for next week. A really cool feature as well is you can find out who played or who's playing in the game. So if we're in the results here and we look at Caps versus Lomas, it will actually load up their team sheet, which is really cool. Apologies while my phone catches up with my computer. But if I were to click on the Capilano team sheet, I'll be able to see everyone who played in the game. Same can be said for the opposition, and I can also see venue map and directions as well on that information page, which will link directly into Google Maps and show me where that park is. If for those of you who haven't been to Marilomas. So that's all I have to show you for today. So again, the Sportlomo game management app is probably the easiest way to input results, and that will update not only your account but the entire community. And as well, on the flip side of that, that also gives us an opportunity to make sure that the standings are up to date, and especially when we get to playoff time, teams are going to be chomping at the bit to know what's happened, and this is a way we can do it, without having to wait until Monday or Tuesday morning. So thanks very much. If you need help with the Sportlomo game management app or entering scores, please let me know. Otherwise, as usual, check the website and referee resources for anything you might need.